Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please do subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Yeah. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to do another unboxing. So as you can see, it's a big box.
You can see what's in the box already.
So you know what's in there now. It's an air fryer.
Air fryer oven.
Air fryer oven. So this is the second air fryer that we're unboxing.
The first one was far too small, 2.2 liter, and we like to cook once a week only and cook in big batches and put it in the fridge, so you don't have to waste gas, electric, cooking every single day and time. You just cook once a week, cook a big batch, put it in the fridge, and then take them out and warm it in the microwave. Saves time, saves money.
I think you agree, guys.
And having a tiny air fryer is of no use to us. We just bought one to try it out to see if it actually does cook. It cooks faster, and yes it does, so we've decided to upgrade to an air fryer oven.
That is air fryer oven as well.
Yeah, you can call tiny thing an oven.
Yeah. But this one is... oh, it's huge. It's...
I wish they had a cookery book with it. That's for rotisserie chicken. And it's supposed to rotate the chicken.
I see, okay. So this is... oh, so I think there is one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so that is the rotisserie. Okay, so...
it's gonna be heavy, so be careful.
Okay guys, so let's take this out now. Oh, it's still... yeah. Oh wow, this is amazing. How to
Amazing.
do it? Yes.
Not that big. The thing actually looks a lot bigger, but the inside is not that big.
Oh yeah.
Quite small. So you can't cook a big chicken in there, only a small chicken.
On the small chicken.
Yeah. So we still need to use the main oven when we want to do our big roast chicken for Christmas.
Yeah.
Get that one put in here.
So there's two drawers. You can...
That's what I'm wondering, because if the heating element is on the top,
down.
won't it burn the top and then undercook the one underneath?
Oh, it's three.
So there must be 3 shelves there then.
Yeah.
That's good. But as
So
I said,
this one is...
if the cooking element is on the top,
so maybe this one is in the bottom.
it should be. If there's no holes in it, it should be the bottom shelf.
Bottom. And this one, maybe this one are for like chips, potato
Pizzas.
pizza.
If the pizza fits in there,
Yeah. So it's 3.
that's good.
So because this one
I have to read the instruction
and
book.
this
Yeah,
one
that needs to be on the bottom,
in the
definitely.
bottom. Oh, so that's nice. Oh, I like this. It's so nice. I think this is so that's how it looks like.
Yeah.
Air fryer oven.
Instant Vortex. That's the
Oh,
brand.
so that's it.
And
There's
it was only
no...
£79 in Amazon. So as long as it works, and that's for the rotisserie chicken.
How will you do this? So like that.
Yeah, so you put the take the shelves out, obviously, all 3 shelves have to come out.
Maybe like that, and then do it like this.
We have to read the instruction book.
Maybe here. Or maybe here.
I reckon the bottom will have to be there. The bottom shelf will have to go in,
Yeah.
because things will drip in there. And the top shows out, and then that must fit on the sides.
I know. This one go like that. And then the chicken will go there.
Yeah, but then that one closed, so we have to read the instructions later.
Yeah.
That must be a way.
Oh, so that's nice. I like it.
As long as it works properly.
Yeah. It's
Supposed to save energy up to 80%,
yeah.
but I'm not so sure about that, considering it's 1,700 watts.
1,700 watts.
Yeah, which is still a lot, quite high.
Oh,
As long
so
as
this is-
as long as it cooks in like half the time, it's supposed to cook in more or less half the time, then it will save money.
Okay, so I'm looking. How do you turn this? But
Yeah, don't do
it's
anything
black
until we read.
because when you plug it in and then all this
It will light up.
will light up. Oh, so that's amazing. That's a good idea. But because you don't.
What I prefer totally manual controls, but they don't have manual controls rather than digital,
Yeah, so this is
because
digital.
digital tends to go wrong.
It says you have to download,
Oh,
scan to get started.
I have no idea.
Yeah, how do you do that? See, they only put important safeguards, not how you use it. That's why they only put this.
Yeah. We'll have to plug in later and see if it comes on.
Yeah, you have to download the
Are there any grills on the sides and the back on the top? Air must be coming out of somewhere on the outside.
There is a filament up here.
So the heat is on the top.
Yeah, and in
There
here,
should be a fan as well, probably also on the
in
top.
here it says hot, sign of hot. Maybe air comes there, and then the hot is there, and then the air goes up, and then it circulates the heat. So that's why it's air fryer.
Yeah.
It circulates the air. Oh, so that is very nice. I like it. I think we have to use it first and then see how it works and if it's okay. But then is one whole chicken fits here?
No.
No,
Only on the bottom.
Even if it's sideways.
The chicken is supposed to go on the rotisserie, but
Yeah. So if
if
it's
you don't want the rotisserie and
If
just
it's
normal,
just-
then it just goes on there. Yeah. But it'll still have to be a small to
Hello,
medium
baby. Yeah.
chicken.
I think if we buy quail, it's okay.
Yeah, Belgian.
Quail.
Yeah, small to medium chicken will fit.
Yeah. So that's fine. It doesn't matter. So we have to try. We don't buy huge chicken anyway for
Only
Two
for
hours.
Christmas.
yeah. And we don't cook whole chicken anyway, so I prefer
Only at Christmas.
pieces. But you like the breast, I like the wings and the legs.
And everything else.
Yeah. You only eat the chicken breast, so the rest is mine. So that's it. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this air fryer oven. Thank you so much, and we will update you when we use it. So thank you for watching, and see you on our next video. Ta-ra! Love, love, love.